Hello everybody. Welcome to another laptop repair video. A customer bring this laptop to us today. She said that the keyboard stopped working suddenly. She said that none of the keys works. She also confirmed that this happened after a recent Windows update when we asked her. Let's turn on the laptop. We should always check what the customer says. Sometimes they say nonsense, sometimes they are wrong, sometimes they are right. We should not take action based on what the customer says. We should take actions based on what we diagnose, based on what we see. Let's open Microsoft Word and test the keyboard. None of the keys work. This laptop has Windows 10 installed, and the bottom of the laptop has a sticker of Windows 8. That means that this could be a driver problem or a firmware problem. I have fixed this problem before. Updating the BIOS fixes the issue. So, let's update the BIOS. Using another computer, search for the drivers of the laptop using the laptop model number. Download the latest version of the BIOS. Copy the file to a USB pen drive. Copy the BIOS update application from the USB pen drive to the desktop of the computer. Open the application. Give permission to the application to make changes. Install the application. Select Install from Windows and click OK. Yes, we want to upgrade the BIOS. Oops, let's connect the charger. The battery is too low. 20% charge is the minimum required to proceed. I will speed up the video until 20% charge. Let's try again. Install the application. Select Install from Windows and click OK. Select OK. The current version is 1.20 and we are going to upgrade to version 1.30. Accept and the BIOS upgrade process will start. Be aware. Do not put the system into standby or hibernation. Do not launch other applications. Do not press the power button, open or close lid, insert or remove USB or any other device. Leave it alone until it finishes. The laptop will restart automatically and continue the process. The upgrade process takes a while. While we wait, you can like the video and subscribe. Now that the upgrade process has completed, let's type something with the keyboard. I hope the video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below anything you want to say. Thank you and see you on the next video.